Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has enough battery, 50%, or connect the charger, because the process can take a few minutes. Once done, wake the watch and open settings. If you're seeing demo mode on a display unit, you may also need the paired iPhone nearby. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the iPhone so the devices can communicate. Now tap General, then look for Demo Mode or Retail Mode as the first actionable option to change. You'll now disable Demo Mode directly. In General, find the Demo Mode or Retail Mode entry and tap it. The interface will present an option to exit or toggle off. If the watch asks for a passcode, enter it on the device. Alternatively, confirm the change on the paired iPhone when prompted. This step removes guided overlays and demo loops. Make sure to wait for the confirmation screen. If it returns to the home screen, demo mode is likely off, and the watch will behave like a normal unit. Finish by restarting the watch to clear any temporary settings. Hold the side button, slide to power off, then power on again. If demo mode persists, unpair the watch from your iPhone. This removes retail profiles. Then repair it normally and restore from a backup. If unpairing fails, perform and erase all content and settings on the watch and set it up again. Only do this as a last resort because it erases data. Troubleshooting tip: if you see locked retail firmware, contact the seller or Apple for removal assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.